Okay, my dear student, what date is it today?
11.
It is 11th of July 2024.
4.
Okay. What is the first topic
Sentence.
given in your grammar book?
The sentence.
The sentence. Very nice. What, tell me, my dear student, what do you know about this English sentence? Do you have any knowledge about
Yes, sir.
what is a sentence?
Sir,
Say aloud. Tell me aloud.
a group of words which make a correct sense is called a sentence.
A group of
Words
words
which makes a complete sense,
which make
a complete
a
sense,
complete sense
are called sentence.
is called a
Sentence.
sentence. Is called a sentence. Very nice. Very nice. So it means you know the definition of basic definition of
Sentence.
a sentence. Okay, group of words that makes complete sense is called a
Sentence.
sentence. So you must know one thing. Every group of words is not a sentence. Every group of words is not a sentence. Sentence should rather must follow grammatical pattern. It must be according to the prescribed rules of grammar. So usually sentence begins
Yes, sir.
with a subject. After subject what comes? Verb.
Verb.
After verb what comes? Object. Or sometimes complement. Or sometimes
Complement.
complement. Okay. This is the basic structure of sentence. Mostly this structure is used while making a sentence. By mostly I mean 90% of the time this structure is used while making a sentence. Mostly means 90% of the time.
Yes,
This
sir.
is how native speakers understand the meaning of mostly. Mostly means उर्दू में आप बोल सकते हो इसको मतलब बहुत बार
Yes, sir.
अमूमन बोल सकते हो, लेकिन ऐसे नहीं समझना इस लैंग्वेज को. इसको नेटिव स्पीकर्स की तरह समझो. मोस्टली मीन्स 90% ऑफ द टाइम,
Yes, sir.
not 100% of the time. Subject. After subject what comes? Verb. After verb what comes? Usually object. Object. Now I will tell you what is a subject. Could you tell me what is a subject? Have you any knowledge of subject?
No, sir.
Okay. Listen. Anything. Listen attentively.
Yes, sir.
Anything we talk about is called a subject. I repeat. Anything we talk about is called a subject. जिस चीज के बारे में हम बात करते हैं, कोई भी चीज, दुनिया की कोई भी चीज ले लो.
Yes, sir.
If you start talking about that thing, then that thing becomes a subject. Then that thing becomes a
Subject.
for instance, ये पेंसिल है ना?
Yes, sir.
ये पेंसिल है. अगर मैं इस पेंसिल की बात स्टार्ट करूं, पेंसिल के बारे में कुछ कहूं,
Yes, sir.
तो ये पेंसिल क्या हो गया? सब्जेक्ट.
Subject.
मैं हूं अल्ताफ सर. अगर मैं अपने बारे में कुछ कहना शुरू कर दूं,
Yes, sir.
I start
Yes, sir.
saying something about myself, then अल्ताफ सर is a subject.
Subject.
Okay?
Yes,
आप बोलोगे अल्ताफ सर is a good teacher.
Yes,
तो
sir.
बात किसकी की आपने? जिक्र
sir.
किसका किया?
Altaf, sir.
अल्ताफ सर. ओके. आप बोलोगे ये जो नोटबुक है ना आपकी, आप बोलोगे दिस नोटबुक इज एक्सपेंसिव. तो बात किसकी की? नोटबुक की. नोटबुक क्या हो गया?
Subject.
सब्जेक्ट. दुनिया की कोई भी चीज़ ले लो, अपना मकान ले लो, अपने कान ले लो, कुछ भी. नोटबुक. ये ग्रामर बुक ले लो, ये ईयरफोन ले लो, किसी भी चीज़ की आप बात करोगे ना,
Yes,
दैट इज अ सब्जेक्ट. दैट इज अ
Subject.
ओके.
Yes, sir.
So I hope you understood the definition of
Subject.
subject. After subject, the important thing the sentence must have is a verb. Is a
Verb.
verb. What is a verb? In verb, there are three concepts. verb talks about three concepts. How many concepts verb
Three
talks
con-
about?
three
Three concepts. Three concepts. First of all, it shows action. It shows
Action.
action. Verbs are simply words that show action. That show
Action.
किसी ने कोई कार्य, किसी ने कोई काम किया, किसी ने कोई काम
किया.
किया. They also show being, state of being, state of
Being.
state of being मतलब no action. For example, मैं बोलूँगा I am a good teacher. am यहाँ पे verb है.
Yes.
am ने कुछ कोई action दिखाई?
Yes.
am नहीं दिखाई. am ने simply कहा मैं हूँ क्या. action मत आई इसमें.
No, sir.
मैं बोलूँगा I teach you. मैं आपको पढ़ाता हूँ. teach में action है. teach में action है. I beat him. beat मतलब मारना. मैं उसे मारता हूँ. तो beat में action है.
Yes, sir.
लेकिन जब आप बोलोगे, जब अल्ताफ सर बोलेगा I am a teacher. I am a teacher. am यहाँ पे verb है. am क्या है? Verb. तो इस am में action आपको नजर आया?
No, sir.
नहीं, मत है action. इसी को बोलते हैं, this concept is called state of being in English. Okay, do you get me?
Yes, sir.
तो if I say he is honest, he is honest, वो ईमानदार है. अब यहाँ पे is है verb. is है.
Verb.
इस is ने बताया, इस is ने कोई action दिखाई?
Yes, sir.
Has is showed any action in the sentence? No.
No.
is ने क्या बताया कि what the person is. Do you get me?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Verb also shows possession. Possession means something belongs to some person. Something belongs to some person. कोई चीज़ किसी की है. For example, मैं बोलूँगा ये मेरा पेंसिल है.
Yes,
I have a pencil. ये possession हम have से दिखाते हैं, has से दिखाते हैं, had से दिखाते हैं past में.
Yes, sir.
So I have a pencil. तो past में क्या बोलेंगे? I had a
Had a pencil.
pencil. Okay.